So in this video, I'm going to share with you an exciting new tool I've come across recently, which uses the power of AI to do a supply chain oriented competency assessment of your resume in a matter of seconds. And I must share with you that initially when I was about to use this tool, I was very skeptical and I was like, how can an AI tool do such an in-depth assessment of my resume? But when I actually use the tool, I was very impressed because it gives me a very detailed insight as to which areas I'm an expert on, which areas I need to work more on, or I'm kind of intermediate in my skill levels there. And it's absolutely free to use. So you can just take your resume, upload it, and your resume doesn't even have to be in a very specific format. But I'm going to actually show you that I've used my PDF resume and I've uploaded it. It's intelligent enough to recognize all those different formats. So it's pretty cool. My name is Jamil Hai, and I've been working in supply chain management positions across South Asia, Middle East, and North America for the last 2 decades. And my mission is to help supply chain professionals like you build real-life skills for your job and career that they don't teach you in college. And if you are preparing for a supply chain job interview anytime soon, you should definitely book a session with me, because I'm going to take your resume, the job description you're applying for, and based on my 2 decades of experience, will give you some laser guided tips and tricks which will maximize your chances of success. So the tool I'm about to share with you is built on a platform called SCM DOJO. It's actually a very fantastic platform because they've got their own supply chain academy. They've got their content library where you can find best practices, ebooks, and so on. And they also help you connect with the right experts in the supply chain industry. So now let's find out how you can find this tool and how it works. So the first thing we will do is we will go to Google and we'll search for the SCM DOJO CV assessment tool. And you can see it pops up at the very top. So once you go here, you can see AI supply chain competency assessment tool. And then I'm going to put some basic details here and I'm going to upload my resume. So let me just put my name here. And then I'm going to put my job title, my company, and then let me choose my resume. So I can do that here. And then it basically asks you if you are a supply chain professional and if you are a procurement professional. And I think it does this because depending on which option you choose, the AI algorithm probably adapts to that particular setting. So because I've got more experience in supply chain and procurement, I'm going to use supply chain professional. And then I'm just going to click Start Analyze. And you can see that very quickly it gives you your assessment. So AI supply chain competency assessment tool for Jamil Hai, and you can see it has rated me intermediate in capacity planning, advanced in inventory management and optimization, and MPS intermediate, and MRP intermediate, order management advanced, shop floor execution intermediate, demand management advanced, and supply chain continuity planning, which is kind of business continuity planning, I guess. It has put me in intermediate. Now, when I look at this at a very high level, this looks like a pretty decent assessment of my experience, because the areas where I've spent a lot of time across my career span, it is definitely rating me as advanced. Things like inventory management optimization, order management, because I've done like customer service roles for several years. And then of course I've spent a lot of time in demand planning as well. So it is putting me as advanced in demand planning. And then areas where I've got experience, but not that much, or I've not probably spent too many years doing that, are things like MPS, MRP, continuity planning and supply chain, those kind of things. So I think it's a pretty fair assessment of my resume. And the good thing about this tool is that it not only just gives you those bar charts, but it also gives you an overall kind of write-up of your assessment. So in my case, it's saying Jamil Hai possesses a strong foundation of supply chain management with demonstrative experience. demonstrable experience across various roles and responsibilities. His career progression from demand planning to supply chain leadership reflects his ability to navigate complex environments and consistently deliver results. And then, of course, there is a bunch of other text here. Now, the good thing is that the areas where it's saying that I've got intermediate competency, it's also recommending certain courses. Now, of course, I could click on, for example, this capacity planning course, and if I click on it, it takes me to one of the courses offered by the same platform, SCM DOJO, and of course I can get a free preview of the course, and I can buy the course as well if I'm interested. So it's very, very helpful, and it kind of points you in the right direction wherever you want to build your competency. Similarly, in inventory management and optimization, it's saying that I've got advanced skills, and what evidence it is using, it's also showing that. So Jamil's track record for establishing VMI models, improving fill rates, and reducing logistics cost indicates a deep understanding of inventory management principles and so on. It is also recommending me some courses I could take. So inventory planning and control, optimize your inventory, a guide to planning methods, and then we've got some best practices it's recommending me to take a look at. Similarly, for MPS, it's recommending me the production scheduling course. It's probably not ready. It says coming soon here. That's fine. And then, as I further scroll down, MRP, it's recommending me an ebook on MRP, which is available. It's also recommending a course which is coming soon. And then on order management, it's saying that I've got advanced skills. It's not recommending a certain course, but it's giving me an assessment and evidence of why it thinks I've got advanced level competency here. And then similarly, as I scroll down, it shows demand management and supply chain continuity planning. On continuity planning, it's interesting because it's saying that Jamil's experience in leading supply chain transformations, identifying and mitigating risks, and implementing solutions to optimize logistics suggests a solid understanding of supply chain continuity principles. However, specific details related to developing related risk profiles, managing emergency response, and conducting post-event audits are not explicitly mentioned, which is absolutely true, because this is an area on BCP or continuity planning where I have done some work in bits and pieces, but I have not even called that out in my resume. So of course, since it's analyzing the text in my resume, it's using an AI algorithm to do that. It's definitely making that assessment that I don't have a lot of advanced skills, which I would totally agree with. So I strongly recommend you use this tool, and do let me know your own experience of using this tool, how effective you found it, by reaching out to me on LinkedIn or YouTube. And by the way, I've also made videos on topics like how to get your resume past AI bots, or how to use AI to do your job interview preparation, which you can watch by clicking over here. Keep watching.